Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm your science teacher Aruj Afar and we are discussing unit number 1, the human body. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the brain and the parts of brain. Today our topic of discussion is the sense organs. Let us all watch a short introductory video.
Our topic for today is sense organs. Our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin.
Yeah.
We are able to learn, understand, and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs.
Now we know that there are 5 senses: sense of touch, smell, taste, hearing, and sight. Moving towards the sense organs, our first sense organ is eyes. When the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. Our eyes are covered by the eyelashes. Eyelashes have two major functions. They help keep the eyes clean by collecting smart dirt particles floating in the air. The second function of eyelashes is that they protect the eyes from the strong sunlight. Our second sense organ is ears. Ears enable us to hear. The ears receive sounds from the outside. The sounds are carried to the brain. The brain then tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. The brain also tells us whether we have heard the sound before or not. There is a second function of the ears that not many people know. That is, they help us to keep our balance. Our third sense organ is nose. As we know that many things give off smells, scents, and odors. These smells travel through the air. The nerves in the nose receive these smells and then our brain interprets whether these smells are pleasant or not. We also select our food on the basis of how it smells like. Next sense organ is tongue. The tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue is covered with very tiny pores which taste different things. We can tell if something is sweet, bitter, salty, or hot. The tongue also helps us to talk. Our fifth and last sense organ is the skin. The skin helps us to feel. Just under the surface of the skin are the ends of nerves. When we touch something, the nerve endings send a message to brain. We can feel heat, cold, pressure, and pain. We can feel if something is hard or soft. Now what you have to do is that you have to close your eyes and try to hear different sounds around you. These sounds can be from inside of the house, like the sound of the TV, or from the outside, like the chirping of the birds. Make a list of these sounds that you hear. If you have any kind of questions, you can always contact me at this email ID. This was all about the today's lecture. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.